Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the prepositions near, under and over. In the previous class we have learned about in and behind. So open your book at page number 10. Let's read with me. This is a table. Those are chairs. The chairs are near the table. See these pictures? The chairs are near the table. Near is the preposition. Near tell us the position of these chairs. The chairs are near the table. That is a dog. The dog is under the table. The dog is under the table. Look here. This is the picture of a box and this is the picture of a ball. The ball is near the box. See this picture. Where is the ball? The ball is near the box. So the word near tells us the position of this ball. Okay. The ball is near the box. That is a dog. The dog is under the table. See this picture? That is the dog and the dog is under the table. Under is telling us the position of this dog. So the dog is under the table. Where is the dog? The dog is under the table. Now this is another example of this preposition under. The book is under the ball. Where is the book? The book is under the ball. So under is telling us the position of this book. The book is under the ball. Here is another example of under. The river is under the bridge. Where is the river? The river is under the bridge. So under is telling us the position of this river. The river is under the bridge. Now let's read this sentence. The bridge is over the river. Where is the bridge? The bridge is over the river. Over is telling us the position of this bridge. Sometimes over indicates a thing crosses another thing. Here the bridge crosses the river. So the bridge is over the river. See this picture? See, I have drawn this arrow. Sometimes over indicates a thing here to there. So this movement is indicated by the preposition over. Over is telling us the position of the bridge. Now see this picture. This is a picture of a tree and this is a bird. Where is the bird? The bird is flying over the tree. So the bird is flying over the tree. Okay. This bird is moving. This bird is moving over this tree. So over telling us the position of this bird. The bird is flying over the tree. Look at this picture. Where are the sheep? The sheep are jumping over the fence. Over is telling us the position of the sheep. So the sheep are jumping over the fence. The duck is in the river. Where is the duck? The duck is in the river. Okay. In the previous class we have learned about the preposition in. So where is the duck? The duck is in the river. We have learned about this example. Where are the fruits? The fruits are in the baskets. Where is the rabbit? The rabbit is in the hat. Now tell me, where is the duck? The duck is in the river. The tree is near the bridge. Where is the tree? The tree is near the bridge. Near is telling us the position of the tree. Read this sentence again. Where are the chairs? The chairs are near the table. So near is telling us the position of these chairs. See this example again. The ball is near the box. Where is the ball? The ball is near this box. So near is telling us the position of this ball. Read this sentence. The cow is behind the tree. See this picture? There is a cow. Where is the cow? The cow is behind the tree. So behind is telling us the position of this cow. The cow is behind the tree. In the previous class, we have learned about this preposition behind. The ball is behind the box. Where is the ball? The ball is behind the box. So behind is telling us the position of this ball. Okay, students, see, this is your homework for today. Fill in the blanks with this given preposition: near, under, over. You have to fill in the blanks with near, under or over. Number 1. The chairs are dash the table. The chairs are near the table. Number 2. The bridge is dash the river. The bridge is over the river. Number 3. The book is dash the ball. The book is under the ball. 4. The ball is dash the box. The ball is near the box. 5. The dog is dash the table. The dog is under the table. 6. The bird is flying dash the tree. The bird is flying over the tree. 7. The river is dash the bridge. The river is under the bridge. 8. The sheep are jumping dash the fence. The sheep are jumping over the fence. 9. The tree is dash the bridge. The tree is near the bridge. Students, hope you got this chapter well. If you have any problem, you can call me. See you in the next class. Bye bye, students.